Hello Odoo users and welcome to our channel. Today we will see the configuration and demo of DSV Odoo Express Shipping Integration. This video will cover shipping and company level configurations. This module is supported in test and production environment. Key features included in this integration are multi-rate of the couriers, multi-pack and multi-label generation, tracking and cancellation of the shipments directly from the Odoo dashboard. So let's have a look at it. As this application is downloaded from the Odoo App Store, first of all we will see the company settings. So for that we will go to settings, user and companies and go to companies. Now currently we have configured the demo database, so I'll show you the same. Here we will mention all the general information about the company and go to DSV configuration. So now to complete your configuration process, you will need the access of the developers portal and staging portal of the DSV. So as you check this box, you will have all this information to be filled up over here to move to the next step. First is the DPI API URL that will be provided to you by the shipping provider. Now there is authorization and subscription keys. So you will need the access of the developers and staging portal. So here I will show you how the portals look. So this is the authorization, also the staging portal. You can see this is the demo version of the same. So as you open this portal, you will see the first page as something like this. And now you can go to this account type and go to API profile from where we will get the APIs of the authorization. And next is the subscription keys. So for that, we will go to the developers portal. As you open the developers portal, you will get the following information from here. And these are the two things that you need access of. So now let's go back and see where to fill up the details. So first is the DSV Express Authorization key of the rate. So there are two types of things that we need, that is rating and booking APIs. So we will select both of them from both of the portals in a different manner. So first is the authorization by key rate. So for that we will go to our staging portal from which we will get the express rate. Here you can see that there is primary key and secondary key. You can select any one of them and you can paste it over here in the first section. Next is the DSV Express subscription key rate. So for that we will go to our developers portal. That is the developers portal and here is the API of the same. So you can mention primary key or the secondary key from this section and mention it over here. Next is the DSV Express ship subscription key booking. So for booking API, we will go to again the developers portal as this is a subscription API. Here is the booking API that you can see, which you will copy it, either primary or the secondary key and paste it over here. Next is the DSV Express account number. So for that, you will go to our staging portal. Here as you go, you can see there is organization ID. This is the account number, which you will copy it from here and paste it over here. Next is DSV Express pet number. So this is what you will get from the staging portal itself. So as you go back, you will get this option over here to generate the expat. So you as you click on the regenerate link, expat token will be generated, which you will copy and paste over here. Next is DSV Express authorization key booking. So for the same, you will again go to the staging portal. You will see the booking API over here and you can copy any one of them, either primary or the secondary key and paste it over here. So this is the configuration for the company settings. And after you mention all this information, you will go and see the sales module to go the shipping settings. So now as these things are completed, we'll go back to the sales module. And as this is the demo version, I'm not mentioning any of the information over here. So now let's go to our sales module, open configuration and go to shipping methods. Here we have configured DSV Express shipping service. So as you see, you can select the provider from the drop down and see the other configurations. First is the company configuration. So if you have more than one company in your Odoo database, you can select any one of them to which DSV Express shipping service is applicable. Next is the package information. If you have more than one types of packages for the delivery order, you can configure them and select as per the requirement. As you go to its internal link, you can mention the size of the packages, select the courier from the drop down and courier code if required. As you go back, there is a weight unit as well. So we have configured kilogram and lbs pound, which you can use for the Next is the service code. So there are different types of service codes that we have configured and you can select as per the requirement. Next is the DSV Express Auto Validate. So as soon as we validate the delivery order, the shipment gets automatically booked in the DSV portal. That is the functionality of this configuration. Next is the dimension unit. So there are two types of dimension units, centimeters and inches, which we have configured. Next is the package type. So we have configured them and you can select any one of them as per the requirement. So this is the basic shipping service configuration. And now we will see its practical implementation as we create the sales order. So let's go to creation of sales order. We will add some customer over here. We will add the products and add some quantities. After adding the quantities, we will add the shipping. We'll select DSV Express Shipping Service and go to the get rate. As we can get multiple rate of the couriers. And let's add it. We'll go to DSV Express Shipping Charges as well, where you can see the rates of the other courier partners as well, and rates as well as the service level description. Now, after everything seems fine, we will confirm the sales order. On confirming the same, we will navigate to the delivery order. On navigating the delivery order, we will divide this quantity into multi-packs as per our functionality. So first pack will have 5 quantity. We will put in pack the same and save the package type. And the remaining 5 quantity, add a line, take the stock, save again, go to put in pack and save the package types. So here you will see the packages smart button as well, which you open and see there are multiple packs already generated. So as we go back, we will go to additional information. Here you will see career as DSV already selected. In case if you want to change or update, you can do it from the delivery order from the drop down menu. Now as we validate this delivery order, you will see tracking reference will be populated over here and the labels will be generated. So let's validate it. On validating the same, tracking will be populated and the tracking smart button will also be seen as you can see over here. So you can track the shipments directly from here and also from the link that is given over here. Currently, as this is the demo version or say in the staging, you will not be able to see the same. So again, let me show you. So here you will see the tracking link redirected to the company's page and these are the labels, two labels for the two packs. Here is the labels and there is another feature of cancellation as well. So if you want to cancel the shipments, you can cancel it directly from here and the log note will be created over here. Currently, as this is the staging, you will not be able to cancel it. But let me show you how the same can be done. There will be the validation error. So these are the basic configuration. Let us know if you face any issues while you configure the same. Our team will be there to help you out. Or also you can write to us at support@vrajatechnologies.com. Don't forget to save and subscribe this video. Thank you.